Now, that's the Western world. That's Africa. How about in the East? In the East, brothers and sisters, you'll say, surely, no, over in China, they speak their own language. Amen, they do. Russia, they speak their own language. Amen, they do. North Korea, they speak their own language. Yeah, they do. But let me ask you the question. Russia, well, matter of fact, let's start with China. China, form of government is what? It's communist. And if you would backtrack, and for those who understand and know history, that the principles of communism comes from the French Revolution from 1798, or the 1790s, I should say. And those principles of atheism in the age of reason blossomed into all the teachings of Karl Marx, who basically, put together the principles of the manifesto. I forget the exact name. Those who are watching, you can look it up. I want to say it's the Communist Manifesto, but I could be stating it wrong. But the point is that the principles that came from out of the French Revolution, and the French Revolution took place where? In France, Europe. That those principles in the form of government that they hold to today in China comes from Europe. Russia, who was just a few years back, the Soviet Union, was a communistic government and still has principles of communism still to this day, and that influence comes from where? Europe. How about North Korea? North Korea government is communist. And again, this is just showing you the influence of these 10 toes, these European powers, over the entire world. We still follow. We can go even more into it, but I just want to put that in our hands here, and also those who are watching via the live stream, that these 10 European toes, as it were, nations have influenced the world, even as the Bible said.